Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Cheetah and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the select button. Keep holding the button until you see the Amazfit logo on the screen, and once you see the logo you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. And once the watch is done booting up, you should see the list of languages on the screen, and you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Once you find the language you would like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it. After you select the language, tap on the check mark, and you should see the QR code on the screen of your watch, which means we need to download and install the Zep application on the phone we want to pair our watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on the phone you want to use to pair your devices together, and then open the App Store, basically Play Store. In the App Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Zep with 2 P's, and then tap on the search button. And on the list of apps you should see the Zep application, formerly Amazfit. Tap on it, then tap on the install button and wait until the application is done installing. Okay, and once the application is done installing, you should see the open button and you can tap on it to open the application. In the app you will need to log in into Amazfit or Zep account. And if you don't have an account, you can tap on sign up button right here to make a new one and then use it to log in. But I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on login, enter the email address and password. But you can also use third-party accounts like Facebook, Google, Me, or Xiaomi, and something else if you tap on the more options icon. Okay, let me enter the email address and password. And then we can tap on login. And once you log in, you will see this tutorial. You can skip through it by tapping on the arrows. Okay, and once you're done with the tutorial, you should see the home page, then tap on the device icon. Here select the watch category, tap on Got It, allow the required permissions. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see this screen. Basically, the app should open the camera. So if you pick up your phone, if it's not on the desk, you will see that the camera app is working. And what we need to do is to point the phone's camera on the watch so we can scan the QR code with our phone. After you scan the QR code, you will start pairing the devices. Tap on allow and then tap on pair. Okay, once you see the pop-up on the watch, tap on check mark to confirm. And if you see this page in the app, you can tap on done. And now we need to deal with the permissions. First we have the notification access. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. So let's say you receive the notification from, let's say, I don't know, WhatsApp on your phone. And you enable the notification access. That notification also will be displayed on your watch. So if you want to see the notifications from your phone, you will need to tap on enable and allow the required permission. But you can also skip this step if you don't want to use it. But I'm gonna enable and tap on allow rather. Then we have the calendar sync. This is basically the same but for the calendar. So if you want to see the notifications about the events from your calendar and stuff like that, you will need to enable the required permission. If you don't care, you can skip it. Then we have the location. This is useful for weather. So if you want to see the weather for your location, local weather, you will need to enable the required permission. If you don't care, you can skip it. And if you see this page, tap on done. Here we have the pop-up about the system update, and if you want to, you can tap on view and update your watch immediately. I'm just gonna tap on don't show again for now. And you should see the Amazfit Cheetah on your device page in the app, and if you wake up the screen on your watch, it should be ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.